So I find when doing some of the liquid applications, it's better to have a little dropper. And like for the case with this baby oil, it does have like a little itty bitty hole on the top where you can kind of just aim it and kind of put it down into the tubes. But no, I like to just have more control by using the dropper. And then so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do these. It's easier to put the baby oil into a cap, you know, and fill it up maybe halfway, and then you just get a little bit in your dropper. I've already sealed off half of these on one side. So you just bleed it in there. Get a little bit towards the top there. You want to leave a little bit of space. That way it captures a little bit of air and it doesn't push all of it out. So when you do this, it'll push a little bit to the surface. You can kind of see it. It gets up to the surface there. You just wipe that off. Use your lighter. Melt down that end pretty nice and tight. Squeeze it. Boom. There you go. The bubbles are good. The bubbles are, I don't know, I think it makes it so that it doesn't pop. If you have this thing 100% full and it gets really, really hot, I imagine that it would bust on both sides. I've never had that happen and stuff like that, but I've been told that it's good to have an air bubble in there. But yeah, this is how you do something like baby oil. And this is a single-use application. You know, you cut off one end, you just put it on your hands or whatever you want to use it for. It's also a great fire starter. But yeah, this is one of them. It's pretty nice too.